Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling what you already know. List probable usernames like your email, phone, or work ID. Once done, open devices where you usually log in and check browser-saved passwords or a password manager. These store both username and password. If you use single sign-on, identify the provider. Make sure you have access to the recovery email or phone. Without that, the next steps will be slower. Keep a notebook to record findings. This prevents repeating searches. Next, use the service's official recovery flow. Click Forgot Username or Forgot Password and follow prompts. You'll often receive a code to your recovery email or phone. Enter it promptly. If the account uses two-factor authentication, make sure you have backup codes or access to the Authenticator app. Once verified, reset the password and note the username shown in the confirmation. If recovery asks for old passwords, provide what you remember. This speeds verification. Finally, if automated recovery fails, contact the platform's official support. Provide account evidence like purchase receipts, prior emails, or government ID as requested. Once they verify you, choose a strong new password and enable two-factor authentication, then store credentials in a trusted password manager. Make sure to update recovery email and phone so future recovery is smoother. If anything goes wrong, use the troubleshooting tip. Gather proof of account ownership, screenshots, past correspondence, or billing info to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.